How to start a toilet paper business with less than $5,000? Three massive corporations quietly dominate most of the toilet paper market. But here's something surprising. Thousands of small businesses are secretly entering this industry every year, and many of them didn't start with big factories or huge investments. Some began with less than $5,000 and a simple strategy. So the real question is, how can an ordinary person start a toilet paper business from scratch? In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to start your own toilet paper business, even if you're starting with a small budget. Why the toilet paper business is a powerful opportunity. Before jumping into the steps, you need to understand why this business is worth considering. Toilet paper is one of the most stable and recession-proof products in the world. People may stop buying luxury products during tough times, but they never stop buying essentials. Every home, restaurant, hotel, hospital, and office building uses toilet paper daily. That means demand never disappears. The global toilet paper industry is worth tens of billions of dollars and continues growing every year as populations increase and hygiene awareness improves. But here's the interesting part. Most large brands focus only on supermarkets and big retailers. They rarely prioritize smaller clients like local restaurants, offices, or hotels. This creates a massive opportunity for small local suppliers who can provide reliable service and consistent quality. Step 1. Research your local market. The biggest mistake beginners make is buying machines before understanding the market. Instead, your first step should always be market research. Spend your first 2 weeks visiting businesses in your area that regularly buy toilet paper. These include restaurants, cafes, hotels, office buildings, hospitals, schools, co-working spaces. Walk in and ask simple questions like, what brand of toilet paper do you currently use? How much do you pay per roll? Are you happy with your supplier? Would you switch if you found better quality or price? This information helps you understand what customers actually want. Try to visit at least 40 to 50 businesses. By the end of this research phase, you'll know average market price, quality expectations, customer pain points, potential future buyers. This step alone can save you thousands of dollars in mistakes. Step 2. Choose the right business model. There are 3 different ways to start a toilet paper business. The best one depends on your budget. Model 1. Reselling, lowest investment. If you're starting with almost no money, you can begin as a toilet paper reseller. This means buying bulk toilet paper at discounted prices and selling it to businesses. You can source inventory from wholesale suppliers, liquidation pallets, bulk distributors. Because you're not manufacturing yet, your startup cost can be under $1,000. This model helps you learn the industry, build customer relationships, generate cash flow. Many successful entrepreneurs start this way before moving into production. Model 2. Small-scale manufacturing. Once you understand the market, the next step is producing your own toilet paper. Thanks to modern equipment, small production machines now cost between $2,000 and $5,000. These machines can produce around 50 to 100 rolls per hour, which is enough for local customers. You'll also need raw paper material, packaging supplies, storage space. Many people run this type of operation from a garage, a small warehouse, a rented workspace. This stage gives you higher profit margins because you control production. Model 3. Full production line. Once your business grows, you can upgrade to larger machines that produce hundreds of rolls per hour. These systems cost $10,000 to $50,000 or more, but allow you to serve bigger clients and larger contracts. However, you should only move to this level after proving customer demand. Step 3. Register your business. Before selling products, you need to legally register your business. The exact requirements depend on your country, but the general steps include registering a business name, opening a business bank account, getting necessary licenses, registering for taxes. In many places, this process costs between $500 and $2,000. Doing this properly ensures you can work with larger customers who require invoices and legal documentation. Step 4. Find reliable suppliers. Your next step is sourcing materials and equipment. For manufacturing, you will need 2 main things: production machine. Small toilet paper machines are available from various global manufacturers. They typically include roll cutting system, rewinding unit, packaging capability. Always compare multiple suppliers before purchasing equipment. Raw paper material. Toilet paper is produced from jumbo paper rolls, which are large paper spools used in manufacturing. When choosing suppliers, consider paper thickness, softness quality, price per roll. Consistency is extremely important because customers will quickly notice quality changes. Step 5. Set up a simple production space. You don't need a massive factory to start. A small production space can work perfectly in the beginning. Your setup should include production machine, storage area for raw materials, packaging station, finished product storage. Make sure the location has proper ventilation, reliable electricity, easy delivery access. A small warehouse or garage can easily handle early production. Volumes. Step 6. Create your product and packaging. Even though toilet paper is a basic product, branding still matters. Your product should have consistent roll size, strong paper quality, clean packaging. You can start with simple packaging designs, but make sure your brand looks professional. Some businesses differentiate themselves with eco-friendly products, premium softness, affordable bulk options. Choosing a clear value proposition helps customers remember your brand. Step 7. Get your first customers. Now comes the most important step, getting customers. The best strategy at the beginning is direct outreach. Instead of relying on online ads, physically visit businesses in your area. Bring sample rolls and introduce your business. Explain that you are a local supplier offering reliable service and competitive pricing. Focus on businesses like restaurants, hotels, offices, cleaning companies. These businesses buy toilet paper every month, which creates recurring revenue. Your goal should be securing 5 to 10 regular customers in your first months. Step 8. Price your product correctly. Pricing plays a huge role in your success. Your cost per roll will include raw paper material, packaging, labor, transportation. Most small producers aim for 25 to 35% profit margins. For example, if your production cost is around 40 cents per roll, selling for 70 to 90 cents can create strong margins while remaining competitive. Bulk discounts can also help attract larger customers. Step 9. Focus on repeat orders. The real strength of this business is repeat customers. Unlike many industries where you constantly search for new buyers, toilet paper businesses rely on regular monthly orders. Your goal is turning every customer into a long-term client. You can achieve this by delivering on time, maintaining consistent quality, building friendly relationships. Once a business trusts your service, they are unlikely to switch suppliers. Step 10. Scale the business. After establishing a steady customer base, you can grow the business in several ways. You can expand your product line to include paper towels, napkins, kitchen rolls. You can also offer private label manufacturing, producing products for local retailers under their brand name. Another option is expanding into nearby cities once you dominate your local market. These strategies increase revenue while using the same production system. What success can look like? Many small toilet paper businesses begin modestly. In the first few months, you might generate around $5,000 per month with a small number of customers. As your reputation grows and production increases, reaching $15,000 to $20,000 monthly revenue becomes possible. The key factor is consistent repeat orders. Once you build reliable customer relationships, your revenue becomes stable and predictable. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical business ideas like this. And I'm curious, would you actually consider starting a simple but profitable business like this? Let me know in the comments.